Little day in the life with the 4Runner. Let's go for a little ride. So we've had it a few weeks now and getting used to the new 4Runner. Pretty much, you know, same interior as my 4th gen Tacoma. But a lot better quality for sure. %100 better quality. We have 900 miles on it now. I mean, just little things. This grab handle doesn't even like really move too much. Even the shifter doesn't move. On my Tacoma, this thing really rattles around. Same with the grab handle. Even the leather steering wheel is a lot nicer than my Tacomas. It's just little things. Japanese made. Can't beat it. So compared to my Tacoma, the 4th gen Tacoma, the new 4Runner is just way more smoother driving, less rattles and shakes, and it's a lot smoother. Number one is the motor on these, on the 4th gen Tacoma, you know, it's the same as in this 4Runner, but it's a lot quieter. You don't hear that noisy 4-cylinder as much. It's not totally gone, but it's a lot less than my 4Runner, or sorry, Tacoma. Barely any road noise. So I've had you know, the 5th gen 4Runner, a 2020 4Runner we had. I had 3rd gen Tacomas. These new gen Toyotas, the new Tacoma, new 4Runner, night and day difference. You know, I was skeptical too on the 4-cylinder turbo at first. We don't really know, you know, how reliable it'll be, you know, right now. It's too soon to tell. Unlike the haters say online that they don't even have one, never test drove it, and have no clue what they're talking about. So don't listen to those sheep that are saying these new gen Tacomas and 4Runners are junk, because they're not. They're night and day upgraded. Everything that was wrong with, you know, that 2020 4Runner I have, or had, because we traded it in for this, is all fixed. Even on the Tacoma, it's like night and day difference with the 4th gen and 3rd gen Tacoma. Better in every way. I'm not saying I loved my 3rd gen Tacoma, not saying they're bad or anything. I'm just saying these new ones, obviously a new model, new year, it's upgraded, right? Same with phones, same with everything. It's always upgrading to be better, and they are better. But for sure, number one, this 4-cylinder turbo in the new Tacoma and 4Runner is awesome. The power is so good in these. On paper, same horsepower, right, as the V6, but the power is just way lower RPM, way low end power compared to the V6. where it was screaming when you're trying to go up a hill and things like that. Gear hunting, if you just put little 33s on it, it doesn't even know what to do, but I had 35s on my Tacoma, no issues, power still there, no problem. It didn't need re-geared, nothing. So these new gen Toyotas, they come stock with the 33 on the 4Runner. They can handle 35s easy. Like I said, on my Tacoma, I didn't even notice power difference on that with 35s with the 4th gen I have. But yeah, if you guys are skeptical on the new gens, try them out before you guys start hating on things that are new. Actually drive one, actually own one. I actually have both. We have the new Tacoma, new 4Runner. So you're listening to someone that has them, and I'm telling you, they're better. So yeah, anyways, they look a lot alike, the new 4Runner and Tacoma. It's kind of, I wish it was more unique from one another. I mean, obviously this is a 4Runner, there's no truck bed, and Tacoma, that's the difference. But interior, it's like, even the outside, it's copy and paste, which they look sick. These new Tacoma and 4Runners, they look even more aggressive to me. Things pop out even more, it looks good. So I guess why change that? But just wish this was a little bit more unique looking than the Tacoma. But then it helps out, I guess, the whole front end suspension you can use on either the Tacoma or the 4Runner now, which is nice. So that helps with parts. Like, let's say someone had a Tacoma like mine with a hood scoop, I might want that. It's interchangeable, so that makes things a lot better and easier to get parts, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to show you little drivability and driving around in the new 4Runner. Japanese made and Mexico made. Two big differences. They look the same, but obviously Mexico made, cheaper made, Japanese made, better quality. And I have both, you guys, so I'm telling you, it's better quality. May look the same, but better quality on the new 4Runner over my Tacoma I have. Gas mileage is awesome, getting 19, almost 20 in town, and the new 4Runner, can't beat it. If you guys have any questions, just ask in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it, you guys. And for the loyal people that are subscribed, I appreciate it. And check out description for the codes for the Lasfit and Oxido now. 15% off at checkout if you use my code BLUESTI. But thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.